Hello. Welcome to Algoine. In this video, I will inform you about your Algoine wallet. Your Algoine wallet is where your subscription fee is collected and where your commission is deducted from your earnings. You can increase the balance in your wallet by making payments or transferring your withdrawable income to this wallet. There are two types of withdrawable income in our system. 1. Your referral income. 2. Your commission as users earn profits from the strategies you leased. For detailed information about withdrawable income, you can watch our related video. To avoid any interruptions in the operation of your bots, make sure that your Algoine wallet always has sufficient balance. In the left column, you can see the balance in your Algoine wallet, your next billing date, and the membership fee to be withdrawn. Using the unit in the middle column, you can add balance to your wallet. In the right column, there are important warnings you need to pay attention to when adding balance. Now, let's add some balance to our wallet. I am typing the amount I want to add into this box. In the boxes below, I can choose my payment method. For now, we can only send USDT coin over the TRC20 network. Then, I click Next. The payment gateway page creates a one-time use wallet for me. I copy this address and open Binance. From the top menu, I select Wallet, Fiat and Spot. Then withdraw. Withdraw crypto. USDT. Then, I paste the address I copied earlier. Network, TRC20, or also known as Tron, shortly TRX. When I enter the amount I want to send, I also take into account the network fee, remembering the warning on the website. If I withdraw 50 USDT, as you can see, only 49 will reach the payment gateway, and my transaction will be pending. Therefore, I withdraw 51 USDT along with the network fee, so that I deposit exactly 50 USDT as stated on the website. Then, I click Withdraw. It may take approximately 30 minutes for the amount you send to be reflected in your account. When your transaction is completed, you will also receive a notification. When we refresh our wallet on the site, we can see the amount we paid in the payment history section, and we can also see that the amount has been credited to our account. I hope I was able to explain it well. Thank you for watching.